Model: 60-plate Mercedes Vito 111 CDI long wheelbase. Key reading issue, spares OR repair. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 197363. Engine: 2148 cc 2.2 CDI, 111. Transmission: 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: this came in running mint, but it won't recognize the key. We've had it running a couple of times since the issue. Basically, if you mess around with it for long enough it will start and runs perfectly. We think it is something to do with the key being read. Easy repair if you know what you're doing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No lights on the dash. Open mouth smile. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: electric window,